guys, so today is still week 3, so we're going to be talking all about concealers and bronzers. So first we're going to do concealer now. I already have my eyebrows done, foundation on, and my eye makeup done. Now we're just going to move straight into concealer. So I'm going to take my mixing palette here, and I'm just going to take some of my concealer and just put it on the palette. I just only want a little bit of it on the palette. Then I'm going to take my QC Makeup Academy concealer brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm only going to conceal the under eye area. I'm not going to brighten everything because I use another powder to just brighten the under eye area. So what I am going to do is just start kind of like right in this area and then kind of move it down. But actually, I don't want to go too thick, so let me just remove that. And so I like to use the tip of this brush because I really get a nice small amount of concealer on the under eye area. Kind of just go in the half moon area and then kind of right in the inner corner as well. And then I take my damp beauty blender and I like to kind of squeeze it just a little bit and just blend the concealer in. And then what I like to do when I'm setting the concealer and the foundation, and then I'm going to spot conceal. So I'm just going to apply this in any blemish areas that seem to pop through. And then I go in with my beauty blender and just dab the concealer in. Okay, so when it comes to setting the concealer, I like to use a different powder than I would use for setting my foundation. So for setting the concealer, I use my NYX HD finishing powder, and this one is in Banana. So I'm gonna use my Anissa Beauty angled concealer brush to set the concealer. I'm gonna tap off the excess, and what I really like that it really fits nicely in that area. And just kind of do tapping motions just to set the concealer. Okay, so I'm going to set the rest of the face and then we will move on to bronzer. Okay, now we're going to start with bronzing. So I'm still kind of a beginner at bronzing, so I'm just going to give you some tips that I've kind of seen. So I'm going to use my Morphe face palette, and then I'm going to use my BK Beauty angled brush. I'm going to use this bronzer shade in the palette. So I'm going to start by the hairline and then kind of blend it down. And I really want to start blending, really blend it because this side is a little bit too dark and I didn't blend it very well. I mean, I could blend it a little bit more, but I want to go very, very lightly when applying this. Okay, so that was it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow for contouring and blush. Bye!